Hey everyone, welcome to CJ Pony Parts. Today we'll be working through another install, walking you through the process step by step so you can tackle it with confidence. We'll show you everything you need to know, from any prep, tools you'll need to do the job, or fitment to get the perfect look, plus a few helpful tips to make your install go smoothly. Let's get it in gear and get started. Today we'll be installing the rear window crank in Betty. We've been slowly working through all the cranks, all the door handles in the car, and if you want to check out the videos on those, you can watch those as well. And to take off our existing window crank, from the factory, they come with a 2.5 millimeter Allen wrench. So that is what you will be needing to take the existing handle off if it's from the factory. With our aftermarket, you'll be needing a flathead screwdriver to install. To install your new window crank, you'll want to place the washer and the crank on the quarter, on the post on the quarter, and whenever you tighten up your new hardware, you'll want to use a flathead screwdriver. Be sure to take your time so that you don't slip and mark your interior. That wraps up this install. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss any future installs, product spotlights, or event coverage. Got questions or want to show off your ride? Drop a comment or tag us on social media. We love to see what you're building. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.